Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, which takes you on a journey through the world of delightful beverages. Today, we're heading to the sun-kissed landscapes of Italy to explore a cheerful, vibrant cocktail, the mimosa. Let's talk about mimosa. The mimosa, a bright and refreshing cocktail, is a simple yet perfect blend of freshly squeezed orange juice and chilled Prosecco. An icon of brunches worldwide, the mimosa is as effervescent as the flower it's named after. Ah! Amazing! Despite being synonymous with brunch in many parts of the world, the mimosa actually originated in Italy. Named after the vibrant mimosa flower, this cocktail has been adding a splash of sunshine to gatherings since the early 20th century. What a look! The key to a great mimosa is balance. Combine equal parts of freshly squeezed orange juice and Prosecco in a champagne flute, and voila, you have a mimosa. The fruity citrus notes coupled with the effervescence of Prosecco make for a truly delightful drink. While the mimosa is a staple of brunch menus, did you know that in Italy it's often enjoyed as an aperitif? Or that the ideal orange for a classic mimosa is the sweet, slightly tart Valencia variety? And here's an intriguing fact: the mimosa cocktail shares its name with International Women's Day in Italy, also known as La Festa della Donna, where women are celebrated with bouquets of mimosa flowers. So, there you have it, the radiant and uplifting mimosa, a true embodiment of Italian joie de vivre. If you've enjoyed this sunny adventure, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sip by Sip for more beverage explorations. Until next time, salute!